Hi guys, whatever is your hobby, let's convert your hobby into a profession. For example, हमारे भाई को यहाँ पे बियर का बहुत शौक था, तो भाई ने अपनी माइक्रो ब्रूवरी खोल दी. Today you can get a loan easily. Today your parents are supported enough. You can get a bank loan. You can get a funding in the future. So let's do our MBA. Yeah, don't need to be MBA to do that. You just need to work hard. आज के डेट में जो भी एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो, जो भी लाइफ के फेज से जा रहे हो, क्लियर अप दैट फेज. सो टुमारो यू कैन स्टार्ट योर ओन बिजनेस. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल रूफ टॉप brewery. It's a very small one. So this I was really impressed. So I made a video here. So let's work hard so that we can follow our passion. आपको आर्ट में जाना है, आपको पेंटिंग बनानी है, आपको कंपेयरिंग करनी है, आपको जो करना है, आप एक्टिंग करनी है. Yes, they've been actors as well who have done their MBA. People who have done their MBA then went into acting, modeling. ठीक है. So let's work hard so that tomorrow we can fulfill the passion. आप बिना MBA के भी कर सकते हो. Like अभी आप MBA छोड़ दो and go into acting. Yes, you might become actor. But if you do your MBA or if you get into good college, then you will have a huge self-confidence in yourself. और if you clear any exam, जो भी आप एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो, maybe it's engineering CET का तैयारी कर रहे हो आप, XYZ, if you clear, even if you placement, for example, आपने कैंपस में जॉब ले लिया. See, I believe in that कि out of 200 people, 400 odd people, if you can get a job, this mean you are talented. This mean you have something to do. और talent तो बाकी में है. You proved your talent, and your confidence become high, and that confidence is very important in the future to do anything. So let's work hard so that tomorrow you can start your own microbrewery. Microbrewery मतलब they make their own beer. अपनी खुद की बियर पीते हैं, पीते भी हैं, बनाते भी हैं obviously. All the best.